Hello friends, I am Ganesh Kekan. In this video, we will solve one problem on projections of rhombus. Okay, first of all, let us read out the problem statement. Draw the projections of the rhombus having diagonals 125 mm and 50 mm long, comma, the smaller diagonal of which is parallel to both reference planes, while other is inclined at 30° to HP. Okay, now this is a problem statement. Now in this statement, what they have given, they have mentioned that they haven't mentioned resting condition, you see. Okay, so how you will get it? Very first thing is what? To draw a rhombus. Okay, diagonals are 125 mm and 50 mm. So how we draw it? First of all, I will draw one horizontal 125, enter. Again repeat line, then from center of 125, 25 mm above, and I will draw another line from midpoint 25 mm below. Okay, so these are diagonals. We know for rhombus diagonals bisect each other, join all these points like this. Okay, so this will be your rhombus ABCD. This will be your rhombus ABCD. Okay, agar now if they are, if we assume that it is resting on VP, if we assume that it is resting on VP, तो क्या होगा? Top view will be a line view. ठीक है, and as rhombus is there, it will be resting on corner only. Always it is resting on corner. Okay, so what they have given, rhombus dimensions are given. Okay, now initially let us assume that it is resting on corner on VP. So if we draw projection for second step, longer diagonal, see, angle of longer diagonal is nothing but angle of plane here. Okay, angle of plane here, and angle of longer diagonal is how much? 30° to HP. Means for second step we have theta plane. If it is resting on VP for second step, we should have phi plane. So it means that it is not resting on VP, it is resting on HP, on its corner. So how you will get it when it is resting on HP? So initially what we assume that complete plane is there in HP, so that top view will be rhombus and front view will be a straight line. So first of all I will draw top view of rhombus. Okay, ABCD. Then I will draw one long horizontal line, XY line. Then I will draw projectors 1, 2, 3. Then I will be getting points A dash. Here I will have B dash comma D dash and C dash. Okay, this is my resting condition. Now you see, longer diagonal का एंगल कितना है? Other diagonal is smaller, is parallel to both HP and VP, and other means longer diagonal is inclined at 30° to HP. Means what we will do in next step, I will copy this line view along with points. I will place next to this. Okay, I will place somewhere here. Okay, and I will rotate line by what angle? 30° by keeping point A dash as a center. Okay, so point A dash will be a resting point. Okay, which they haven't given. Okay, and now AC का एंगल कितना हो गया? लॉन्गर डायगोनल का A dash C dash is making angle 30°. ठीक है, लेकिन डायगोनल BD, स्मॉलर डायगोनल BD के साथ क्या हो रहा है? स्मॉलर डायगोनल BD can be seen as a point and it is at some distance from XY. So you can say that BD is parallel to what? BD is parallel to HP. BD is parallel to HP. So by having this inclination, what we have achieved? Longer diagonal AC makes 30° with HP. This condition is satisfied. At the same time, smaller diagonal BD is parallel to HP. तो BD अभी क्या हो गया? Parallel to HP हो गया. ठीक है, BD is parallel to HP. Okay. Now in next step, ठीक है, BD is parallel to both HP and VP ना. ठीक है, so in next step, BD has to be made parallel to VP. ठीक है, तो once we have this line view, ठीक है, then we will draw projectors 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. Locate all the points A, B, C, D, join those points. ठीक है, here you will have distorted view. ठीक है, A, B, C, D. तो अभी यहाँ पे टॉप व्यू में आप देख सकते हो BD is what? BD is perpendicular. But what they have said, BD is parallel to VP also. So what we will do, I will copy this object. ठीक है, I will place somewhere here and I will rotate this object. कितना rotate करना पड़ेगा? BD is what? Perpendicular. It has to be parallel ना. So we need to rotate this object by 90 degree about the center point, about the center point, you see. Okay, about the center point of object, we will rotate the object by 90 degree. So what will happen, this A will go up, the C will go down, and BD will be parallel. Okay, now once we have this, what next? Draw projections 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have projections in this direction. Locate all the points A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash, and join them in sequence. Now once you have this, you see, now see, BD is what? In front view also BD is parallel. Take it, and in top view also BD is parallel. Means BD is parallel to both HP and VP. And at the same time, AC is inclined at 30 degree to HP. So here you can see what they have given. Smaller diagonal is parallel to both reference planes, that is BD is parallel to both HP and VP, and AC is making an angle of 30 degree. So this will be my solution. You see, this is complete solution. Okay, I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.